When considering light-speed travel, many people contemplate the major challenges involved, such as achieving incredibly high speeds and dealing with time dilation. Time dilation refers to the concept that someone traveling faster than the speed of light would return from their intergalactic journey and find themselves younger than their counterparts back on Earth. Although speaking with a living person was not the same, Smith found it sufficient to convince him that technologies like Storyfile would revolutionize the way we preserve our lives for future generations. Geologists examining the samples from the space rock that fell on Saint-Severin more than 20 years ago made an exciting discovery. They found a small amount of a recently identified rare metal called Tetranite within the rock. The demand for rare earths is predicted to increase by 400% in the coming decades, according to the U.S. Department of Energy. To tackle this issue, one can either find more of these rare metals or use them more efficiently. Tiam Lagrasso, the director of the Critical Materials Institute, a mineral research laboratory within the U.S. Department of Energy, suggests that dysprosium and terbium, two rare earths, are sometimes combined with magnets used in demanding products like wind turbines and U.S. submarines. Unless there is a breakthrough in manufacturing or the discovery of new sources of rare earths, a synthetic material like Tetranite may be our best solution for maintaining the functionality of important weapons, green technologies, and cherished electronics in the future. China currently dominates the mining and processing of rare earths, producing about 70% of the world's supply in 2021. In comparison, the Mountain Pass mine in the U.S. produced 8% of the world's rare earths 5 years ago, and that number rose to 14% last year, amounting to 42,000 tons. In response to China's dominance, the U.S. Congress directed the Pentagon in 2018 to stop purchasing neodymium magnets from China. Last year, several U.S. senators proposed legislation to prevent defense contractors from sourcing any rare earths from China by 2026. Highlighting the significance of the situation, the U.S. Department of Defense awarded Mountain Pass $35 million in 2022 to enable rare earth processing in California without relying on China. In order to be effectively used in applications like electric vehicle motors, rare earth-based permanent magnets must withstand high temperatures, sometimes exceeding 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Countries without their own rare earth deposits could find it easier to acquire materials essential for powering computers, electric vehicles, wind turbines, and military technologies. After years of speculation, research, and experimentation, scientists are now inclined to believe that a warp drive could indeed be feasible for space travel.